Okay guys, Tony here. Now I have something I want to share with you, and for those of you that know me, it's not very often that I share anything like this. In fact, it's been literally a couple years since I've actually pulled the trigger on something like this. But there's a few reasons why I did. Okay, I'm going to go over that. I don't know. I'm going to start off with the history. I don't know if you guys remember. Maybe you were involved in it. A coin called BitConnect. Okay. And this was a coin. I don't know the exact dates, but it's been a couple of years, and it was running for a while, probably a year and a half to 2 years. And this coin, BCC, it was called. The abbreviation was BCC, and it went from like 17 cents all the way up to over $400. Okay, over the course of a year and a half, however long it was. And the bottom line is the people that got in the beginning, I mean, they created millionaires, even multi-millionaires. Now the problem is if you got in towards the end, you got the brunt end of it where you took a loss. It was going for quite a while when it came to my attention. I think it was over $300 a share when it came across my desk. And I remember saying, nah, this is a Ponzi. I'm not going to get in it. It's just too late. It's too late. I missed the boat on it. And I was right, because it wasn't too much, maybe 2-3 months later when it crashed, and it went from $400 to 90 cents or maybe 10 cents. It basically went to zero, and people lost their money. So with something like this, it's all about timing. Okay. Now this is the same owners. This is the creators of BitConnect. So if you have a sour taste in your mouth, if you came in towards the end and lost, well, I get it. I totally get it. Maybe you don't want anything to do with it. But at the same time, I told myself when this came across my desk this time, I said, I'm not going to miss the next BitConnect. This is the chance to get in at the very beginning. It's only 10 cents right now. This is the opening. The opening price is 10 cents, and it's not even 11 cents. It's like 10.3 cents or something like that. So this is ground floor, guys. Does that mean there's a guarantee to make money? Absolutely not. There are no guarantees. We all know that, okay? Does that mean this coin is going to go to $400? Honestly, I'm a realist. I'm going to say no. It's very, very rare that you have a reoccurrence of, history repeats itself in such a large scale, like something like this, okay? However, what if this thing only goes to $10? Okay? It's 10 cents right now. If it goes to $10, you're looking at 100 times your money, 100x. If it goes to $100, which is only a quarter of what it did in the last one, that's 1,000 to 1. That's $1,000 for every dollar you put in. Okay. But with that being said, it's high risk to very high risk to reward. Did I put a lot of money into this? Absolutely not. I did not. I'm going to show you in a second. This is a PDF file that they have. In fact, they don't even have a whole lot of information right now because this is ground floor, guys. It just got introduced to the United States here like in the past week. Okay. I'm going here. You can get access to this PDF file. You can come to me. I can give you this, and you can read this on your own time. I just want to show you. They do have all the details on it. Okay. Here's their white paper. It's got their their roadmap here, showing you what their plans are. In fact, they plan on getting on Binance right here, July. If this is true, you guys, and if I'm not mistaken, it was on Binance the last time. I know it was on CoinMarketCap because I was watching the thing grow like crazy. But I believe it was on Binance last time. If it gets to this point and hits Binance, it's great, game over, guys. It's going to just snowball like crazy. And the other nice thing about, and this is actually showing you, it even gives you projections. I don't really like it when they give price projections, but just to give you an average here, saying that it'll probably grow from 10 to 40% per month, the price of the coin itself. Now here's the best part about it. You're staking the coin. And what that means is you're holding the coin with the platform. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. So you can see, and I actually just tested the waters with $500 right down here, right here. Total staked 487. It was actually 500 minus the fees. It came out to 487. Now you have to fund this this is the Ethereum blockchain. It's called EtherConnect, ECC. Right here you can see ECC. Okay. And here's the price of the coin. Okay, I was right, 10.3 cents. It started at 10 cents. Guys, this is ground floor. Okay. Now, I only put in $500. If this thing goes to $10, it's 50 grand. If it goes to $100, it's $500,000 for $500. So of course it's worth it for me. Okay, but it's risk capital. I spend this, 1 or 2 nights out, out here in Vegas, just having a good time. I spend that easily. So that's the way I looked at it. Like, it's a gamble, but I am not going to miss the boat on this one. And the chance that it does go to $10, $100, maybe even $500. Some people are saying this will do better than before, and they have a valid point, because crypto is becoming more mainstream right now. Geez, look at the market cap right now. It's over $1.4 trillion. Just a few months ago, it was only 800 billion. It's almost doubled. It actually did double. It just came down a little bit. It's doubled. The entire crypto market has doubled in size over the past few months. We have big institutional money and giant hedge funds and companies now getting into crypto, guys. Plus, we now have the DeFi, if you're familiar with, deregulated finance, coins, which is what this is, all this stuff that's really getting popular. Now, in addition to the price of the coin going up, you're staking your coin for a year, just so you know that. So you're actually going to be putting your money in there, and your coin is locked in there, like this 487 is locked in for a year. However, they're going to pay you up to $1,000 is 10% monthly. 1,000 and higher, it's like 13%. It goes up to like 17% per month, depending on how much you put in. But I will get 10% per month paid daily right here. Stake earning. This is just in one day. I just put in yesterday. This is in one day. I've earned 15 ECCs. Not a big deal, but it's 10% per day that per month that is paid daily. So I'm basically making $50 per month while I'm sitting there watching the coin increase in value. Okay. And then they have a whole referral thing. You could see, I'm bringing some people in. And then when they make deposits, I'll get a percentage on theirs. It's either 10 or 8%, something like that. I haven't even got a good look at it. There's a few different ways that you earn with referrals. I'm not too concerned on that, to be honest with you guys. My main concern is I want to get this to $1,000 and I'm just going to let it sit. And the nice thing is, since I'll bring in a few people, and once I have enough coins, I'll just let it sit in here. I wouldn't even cash out, because you can cash out your daily earnings. If I go right now to withdraw, I can take out anything right here, or total earning. Any earnings right here, I can take out. This is in ECC, not Ethereum. This is in ECC, not US dollars either. It's just ECC coins. That's basically $39 already that I could take out in the first day. It's mainly from, for a referral. I'm just stating the fact. So you guys, if you do bring people in, yeah, it's great. Now I'm going to tell you right now, you're not going to see me promoting this for very long, and I'll tell you why. For one, it's all about timing with me, and that's why I'm sharing this with you now, because literally this is it's just starting out, okay? And once this thing hits 20 cents, once this 10 cents goes to like 20 cents, you're probably not going to hear a peep out of me. And that's just because, you're risking more money with, half the profit potential, and at that point it becomes just too risky. And I'm not saying it's not going to go above 20 cents. My point is, right now is the best time, because you're going to get the most bang for your buck. Even if it just goes to $1, that's 10 to 1 on your money. Where, after 20 cents, if it goes to $1, that's just 5 to 1 on your money, and you're still locked in for a year at, from that point. So you guys, I'm just, kind of looking out for your best interest, and so forth. So once this thing's around 20 cents, you're probably not going to hear anything from me regarding this coin again. I may not even do another video on this. I don't know, but I want to bring this to your attention. This is gambling money, guys. Do not put money in here you cannot afford to lose. Don't just think it's a sure thing. It's not by no means. Okay. But they do have a huge following already. I'm going to show you. They have a Telegram channel. You have access to all this. Look at this, 83,000 members already in their Telegram channel. I have a Facebook page here. I already showed you they have the PDF file and everything. So everything, it's pretty simple. And you have to deposit, like I said, in Ethereum. So just, if you use Coinbase or whoever you use, just convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or just purchase Ethereum, and you're going to deposit in Ethereum. You're just going to go to deposit right here, deposit. Ethereum. I don't even know what the Binance Smart Chain is. I don't know. It's some other coin. I honestly don't even know, guys. I just went here, deposit Ethereum, and you're just going to put the amount and make the deposit. Once it clears on the blockchain, it will appear down here. Okay, and it will automatically be converted into ECC. So you can see right here, where is it at? Right here, right next to it. Total staked coin. See, it converted by itself to ECC. So I don't have to worry about changing it from Ethereum to EtherConnect. It's done automatically. Now you guys, I stick with, this is a platform. This isn't like a giant exchange or an actual wallet where your money's really safe. As long as Ether connects around, yeah, you're in good shape. And I'm just telling you, if history does repeat itself, even a fraction of what it did before, you'd be in very good shape. Okay, so now you guys all know I've been involved with Forex. That's my niche now for the past 2-3 years is Forex trading. I'm running a few very successful platforms right now where it's completely hands-free trading. Okay, so if you want something that's more secure, where you have more control of your funds, meaning the money stays in your name and your brokerage account, that would be a separate video and a separate thing. Come to me, and in other words, if you have $5,000 to put into something, I wouldn't say, hey, put it all in here. Yeah, sure, you could hit the lottery, absolutely, but that wouldn't be the safest route to go. Okay, you could put a fraction of it in here, and I would show you better places to put it with actual trading, the Forex trading. We even have a crypto trading platform. It trades Forex, but you grow your crypto. We have another, what's called a PAM account that we're launching actually today. It'll start trading in a couple days, most likely Monday, and that thing is just absolutely insane, the results that it gives. Okay, so that's what I do. That's my full-time income, and I just took a little tiny sliver of what I had, threw it in here. I'm probably going to put another 500 in here in a week or so. As long as the price is still low, I'm going to throw another 500 in here. If it starts shooting up, then I'm just going to let it ride where I'm at and just, let that and the referrals grow. Because, see, here's a nice thing, too. If you do refer some people and, you start earning, like right here, the level earning. This is from referrals at 373 coins. If it goes to $1 a coin, right now it's only $37. But if I leave it in here in ECC coin and it goes to $1 a coin, that turns into $373. I get 10 to 1 on that, plus my coin, my actual staked deposit right here. So that can be very, very substantial over time to help boost my deposit if I let my referral coins sit in here. But the cool thing is you can cash this out, like I said, at any time. It'll be converted into Ethereum and put into your Ethereum wallet that you would put right in your right here, profile, update wallet. You just put in your Ethereum wallet, click on that, put in your Ethereum wallet, and that way when you take a withdrawal, it'll appear in your Ethereum wallet. Okay, guys, that's it. Just wanted to share this with you. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. I may not have the answer, guys. This is brand new. It just came in front of me a couple days ago, and as soon as I seen that it was the same people as BitConnect, I says, hey man, this, like I said, I'm not going to miss the boat twice on this. And if I lose, oh well, I took a chance here. But I mean, I'm already up. But the bottom line is you are staking it for 12 months, so keep that in mind. So do not use, your rent money or anything like that, guys. I always stress that. And it's the same thing with Forex. Always put in money you can't afford to lose. And of course my thing is diversifying. That way I don't have losing months because I'm spread out over 4 or 5 different platforms. So okay, guys. Hope this was informative. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on another video. Take care.